Cardinal is a healthcare services and products provider. We service customers and patients in the acute care and retail markets. So if you're aware of a customer going to a CVS or maybe a patient going into an acute care hospital, Cardinal Health services those delivery points of care in both product delivery and services to support the delivery of healthcare.
We have operations all over the globe with 33,000 employees. Our turnover is $91 billion and we are supplying 100,000 delivery locations every day. Business demands were very high. We were slow in reacting. We realized that we have to change the game. We have to come with a new approach where we can engage a partner who can help us understand our operations better, provide better root cause analysis practices.
We like to be able to monitor not only the uptime or traditional metrics of how you're running an application and the infrastructure that it runs on, but also the kind of real-time business metrics. So MaxAttention is an investment that we've made to really enable us to provide that kind of continuity to our business and help to drive insights on how we can improve.
We have been running SAP for almost more than 10 years or so. We have operations in all our primary business segments. MaxAttention and SAP has allowed us is to kind of get a planned approach on how we can address the root cause analysis, structured process for root cause analysis, also how we can get visibility to our end user experience, and how we can bring more visibility into our business processes.
It's better to understand what's going on, when it's going on, so you can be insightful and responsive. And that's something we've seen increase here at Cardinal because of the investment with the MaxAttention team. I've called them sort of the glue of SAP. They have an appreciation of how we've built our environment so that they can then be responsive to our systems and what happens when we need fixes.
We established SAP Operations Control Center as part of our Run SAP Like a Factory program. What Operations Control Center allowed us is more of a proactive management, proactive visibility into our environment. If there are issues which are about to happen, we can get those alerts ahead of time, which allows us to kind of then take action on the issues.
The biggest key performance indicator that we were able to resolve was something we call ship not build. And that's basically where we've shipped the product to a customer, but it hasn't generated an invoice yet. We were actually able to drive that from an 87% KPI up to a 98% KPI. The benefit was in an 8-digit range, so a very large business benefit for our corporation.
I would not go into any large-scale SAP initiative without the investment. The resources, the knowledge base really goes so far beyond what we get many times from other third-party providers that to really get to experts when you need them, it's been a lifesaver for us.
Go long and go deep with MaxAttention. We needed great and insightful help, and Max delivered. That was part of our transformation for the medical business. We were in the throes of delivering a major transformation, and the Max team jumped in, understood our challenges, and helped us get through the deployment and the critical post-go-live support. As I've been able to better appreciate where the depth of talent and the knowledge is within the SAP ecosystem, the Max team, the broader AGS environment, they're the ones that understand the customer footprint and the SAP capabilities, and it's the marriage of those two operationally that we see the value, and I would recommend that you need to have that as a firm component of the foundation of your SAP investment.